The Happy Prince name is Happy Prince, but the chapter is in fact an irony because the means what do we mean by happiness? Khush, a person who is glad, who is enjoying. And this chapter is not about a prince but a statue, a majestic statue which has been erected on a mount जहां से वो पूरी सिटी को he is able to see. When the prince, when that person was alive, he had a luxurious life. He had a luxurious life. A life where he never had seen any kind of unhappiness. उसने कभी कोई दुख तो देखा ही नहीं था. Therefore, he never knew what is sorrow about. हम दुख किस बात को कहते हैं. And that is why perhaps the name is the Happy Prince. It is not about his happiness, but it is about how the Happy Prince had never seen any kind of unhappiness, sorrow in his life, and ultimately how that particular prince had transformed. वो जो प्रिंस था वो कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया था, that is the chapter about. He used to live in a castle, बहुत बड़े महल में रहता था, and he was unconcerned what was happening beyond that walls. वो जो चार दीवारी थी, वो जो walls थे, उसके आगे क्या होता उसे कुछ नहीं पता था. But after his death, he was tied to that immobile, मतलब अब वो एक पत्थर बन चुका था, a sumptuous statue, बहुत बड़ा, majestic, bathed in gold and प्रीशियस स्टोन्स, पूरा गोल्ड से बना हुआ था. उसमें स्टोन्स, उसमें जो है स्टोन्स जड़े हुए थे. उस माउंट से, फ्रॉम दैट हिल, ही वॉज एबल टू सी द माइजरी ऑफ द पीपल लिविंग इन दैट सिटी, द ट्रबल्स, द पोवर्टी which he had never even known. और वो सब चीजें देखकर he used to be pained. He was so touched that he would cry from the impotence that he wasn't able to help them. एक दिन what happened one day, a little bird, a swallow, which was flying over the city and it was going to the African city, that took the refuge under the feet of the statue. वो रुका तो सिर्फ एक रात के लिए था, but while it was making its nest, मतलब वो अपने लिए जगह बना रहा था, तो उस वक्त में it saw that there were some drops of water. First of all, it was very much moved कि water कहाँ से आया, because for it was not raining. Later it saw that the tears were dropping from that statue. The bird was too much sad and she tried to help. It wanted to go to its friends. It wanted to go to that place, to emigrate to the warmer land where its friends were waiting. But looking at the tenacity of the prince, tenacity मतलब उसका जो वो जो करना चाहता था, उसकी the desire, it helped. It used to guide the prince. It used to tell what is happening, who is in sorrow, what they require, and one by one, the entire gold, the ruby, everything that was decorated on that statue were given to these people. Ultimately, what happened is the statue became bare, बिल्कुल खाली. And when it became bare, at that particular time, the city people, the councillor, the mayor saw it. They were very much anguished. उन्होंने कहा इतना गंदा statue that is in the mid of the city, it should be demolished. So they pulled it down. It was melted. लेकिन there was a magic. Everything melted from that statue, but the heart did not melt. So that was discarded. उन लोगों ने फेंक दिया. Whereas इस प्रिंस को हेल्प करते करते जो स्वैलो था, it had become it मतलब वो ठंड को नहीं बर्दाश्त कर सकता था. It couldn't tolerate the cold, so it had died. The heart was discarded near the dead swallow. In the heaven, God asked his angels the most beautiful and valuable thing on the world. And it is said that these angels brought the head, this heart, and the dead swallow. And God warmly welcomed, and it said that it is the most charming creation that he had. So that is, you can say that the story is, this is only a gist. It is about kindness, about compassion, about being empathetic. There is always a word what we call as sympathy, and another word is empathy. Sympathy means when we are giving daya, something which we only pity. Oh my God, उसके साथ इतना बुरा हुआ. We may not be having any feeling for that person. And being empathetic means when you are understanding the problem of that particular person, आप उस इंसान के प्रॉब्लम को समझ पाते हो, and you try to be kind. That's empathy. People can be sympathetic, but they may not be empathetic. And real kindness, real generosity, real benevolence is when you are empathetic towards the people. The prince who had been bedecked with gold and rubies was able to give everything for the poor. But above all that, swallow, the bird which had nothing to do with this particular city, which was not, you can say that the bird was even not a friend to this prince. It helped the prince to fulfill the desires. And that's true generosity. We hardly find such people on the earth, of course, because people are more selfish. But yet, the chapter is a real example of what we call as empathy, what we call as generosity, love, and above all, friendship. हम कितने लेटर्स लिखते हैं, कितनी बार हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, और उस ऐसे में हम बोलते हैं एक ही चीज, अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन फ्रेज दैट वी यूज, कि सच्चा मित्र वही है जो आपको आपकी विपत्ति में आपका साथ दे. अ फ्रेंड हु हेल्प्स यू. एंड नेवरलेस, फॉर द स्मॉल यंग चिल्ड्रन, अगर आपके पेपर के टाइम में किसी ने हेल्प कर दिया तो भी आपको लगता है ही और शी इज अ रियल फ्रेंड. बट रियल फ्रेंड इज योर मिरर. रियल फ्रेंड आपका मिरर होता है. अगर आप गलत करो, मिरर क्या करेगा? इफ आई एम अगली, इट विल शो मी द अगली फेस. If I'm beautiful, it will show me the beautiful face. A real friend is who tries to improve you. जो मजे लेने के लिए दोस्त होते हैं ना, they are not called as friends. The one who tries to just grab your attention, the one who tries to only take advantage of your situation is not friend. A true friend is who can actually understand your position, enter into your shoes and help you out. और यहाँ जो swallow है, it can be called as a true friend. Why I'm explaining all these things? Because you know, when you are doing the papers, you have seen that there are many symbols that come for your inference. The chapter is dealing with love, the chapter is dealing with affection, the chapter is dealing with generosity. Above all, the chapter is also dealing with the bond of friendship. That's why I'm explaining the meaning, that why friendship is so important and who is called to be a good friend. And thus, the two friends, that is the swallow and the prince, both tried to help the people in distress. जो लोग दुखी थे उनको जो है हेल्प करने की कोशिश करते थे. Right? Now I am taking the chapter along with the book. You can also take out your books because it is very, very important. I have seen one thing. The Happy Prince was a beautiful statue. He was covered with gold. He had sapphires for eyes. Sapphires is आपका all the gemstones, and a ruby in his sword. और उसके स्वॉर्ड पर एक रूबी लगा हुआ था रेड कलर का. Why did he want to part with all the gold that he had in his precious stones? And that is the story about. That's all about the story. High above the city. Please, ये वाले जो questions हैं, they all normally come in the MCQ, where it was situated. It was mounted. Mounted मतलब थोड़ी ऊंचाई पर. On a tall column stood the statue. Stood the statue is alliteration. Stood the statue is alliteration. The statue of the Happy Prince. He was gilded. Gilded मतलब पूरा ढका हुआ. Covered with. Gilded का मतलब होता covered. Now gilded can also be used as a synonym to what we call as bedecked. Bedecked भी बोल सकते हैं. Bedecked वैसे तो होता है सजाना. All over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. और उसका जो sword था, उसकी जो पीछे वो बना होता है, उसके ऊपर एक रूबी लगा हुआ था. That shows that the prince belonged to a very wealthy family. जिसका स्टैचू गोल्ड से बना हो, सोचो. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before. क्योंकि swallow Egypt क्यों जा रहा था? It was migrating because it was cold and it was moving to Egypt where it could find the warmness. वहां उसको जो है वार्मनेस मिलेगा, इसीलिए इट वॉज फ्लाइंग टू इजिप्ट. उसके फ्रेंड्स ऑलरेडी जा चुके थे, पहले वो रुक गया था, बट इट ही डिसाइडेड टू गो टू इजिप्ट टू. ऑल डे लॉन्ग ही फ्लू एंड एट द नाइट टाइम, नाइट और टाइम दोनों में आई जो है, ही अराइव्ड एट द सिटी. ये जो नाइट टाइम ही अराइव्ड एट द सिटी है, इट इज एजोनेंस, ASSONANCE, assonance, because the vowel I is repeated with the same sound. Night time he arrived at the city. Where shall I put? अब यहाँ पर put का मतलब है मैं कहाँ रहूंगा. Where shall I put up मतलब where he will stay. Put का मतलब गिराना नहीं. Put मतलब where will I stay. I hope the town has made preparations. Town had made preparations मतलब there was enough space for the birds जहाँ पर they could make. Means there was some place where he could live, he could stay securely. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. उसने देखा. I'll put up there. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted just between the feet of the happy prince. तो जो पैर है उसके बीच में जाकर वो सोने की कोशिश की. Adjust किया, alighted. I have a golden bedroom. बड़ा खुश हुआ. He said softly to himself as he looked round, and he prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. वो सोने जा ही रहा था, तभी उसको ऐसा लगा जैसे कि पानी उसके ऊपर गिरा. What a curious thing! There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. अरे बड़ा अजीब है, बादल तो है नहीं, बारिश हो रही है. Then another drop fell. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? वो गुस्सा हो गया. He was angered. उसने कहा स्टैचू के नीचे सोने का क्या फायदा है? It is not able to keep the rain off. I must look for a good chimney pot. यहाँ तो बारिश हो रही है तो I should go search for a chimney जहाँ मैं जाकर नीचे छुप जाऊं. And he determined to fly away. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell and he saw. What did he see? The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. वहां पर जो है बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. That was a tear that was coming out from the eyes of the happy prince. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. वो इतना सुंदर और वो रो रहा था. Why? The swallow pitied him. Who are you? I am the happy prince. Here it has been personified. The statue is speaking. Why are you weeping then? You have quite drenched me. Drenched मतलब भिगो दिया. क्योंकि वो तो छोटा सा बर्ड है, तो 4 बूंदे आई तो उसको गीला हो गया. Drenched means wet. When I was alive and had a human heart. HHH. Electrician. Answered the statue. I did not know what tears were. For matlab because. I lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. Sorrow is not allowed to enter का मतलब where he had a happy life. The rich, the celebrities, the prince, they don't know what is sorrow. They get everything on their plate. My courtiers called me the happy prince. And happy indeed I was. Why he was called as the happy prince? Because he had never witnessed sorrow. So I lived and so I died. So I lived and so I died means मैं happy ही रहा और happy ही मैं मर गया. And now that I'm dead and they have set me up, they here is for the people, the councillors, the government, here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city. मैं इतनी ऊंचाई पर हूँ, यहाँ से मुझे हर एक इंसान की, misery means trouble, I can witness all the problems that people are facing. And though my heart is made of lead is a hard material, आपके पेंसिल की नोक में होता है. Yet I cannot choose but weep. Why he cannot choose? Because his heart, even though वो लीड का है, लेकिन वो बहुत दुखी है. He was very much sorrowful. Yet I cannot choose but weep. मतलब मैं चुप नहीं रह पाता हूँ. He isn't able to control himself. Though he wants to be controlled, but he is not able to see the miseries of people. What? Is he not a solid gold? मतलब सॉलिड गोल्ड इसलिए क्योंकि ऊपर उसकी जो बॉडी थी दैट वाज bedecked with gold, but his heart was made of lead. और स्वैलो को लगा था कि पूरी बॉडी गोल्ड से बनी हुई है. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. लेकिन वो चुप रहा क्योंकि वो पर्सनल रिमार्क्स नहीं देना चाहता था. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it, I can see a woman seated at a table. Now, the prince started telling that what he was seeing. Her face is thin and worn. Worn matlab thaka hua, tired. And she has coarse red hands. Khurdre. Coarse matlab khurdre. Red hands all pricked by the needles, for she is a seamstress. Tailor. The one who sews the clothes. Yes. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor. क्वीन की जो मेड ऑफ ऑनर थी, मतलब उसके साथ में चलने वाली उसकी सखी के लिए she was making a gown. She was embroidering to wear at the next court ball. Court ball is a dance festival. Ball होता है जहां डांस होता है, the couple dance. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword head? My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. उसने कहा कि वो बच्चा जो है उसे ऑरेंजेस चाहिए, उसकी मम्मी के पास तो पैसा है नहीं, सो शी इज नॉट एबल टू बाय हिम द ऑरेंजेस, इसलिए वो उसको पानी पिला रही है. लेकिन बच्चे को जो है ऑरेंज चाहिए, तो तुम एक काम करो, मुझे मतलब हेल्प कर दो प्लीज. एंड मेरा जो स्वॉर्ड है उसका जो हैंडल है, हिल्ट मतलब HILT, हिट मतलब द हैंडल, उस पे जो रूबी लगा हुआ है उसे निकाल के दे दोगे. माई फीट आर फासन, मेरे जो पैर हैं उस पेडेस्टल से बंधे हुए हैं, एंड आई कैन नॉट मूव, मैं यहां से नहीं जा सकता. I am waited for in Egypt. My friends are flying up and down the Nile and talking to the large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. लेकिन मैं तुम्हारा हेल्प कैसे कर सकता हूं? The swallow was in apprehension. मेरे जो दोस्त हैं वो वहां पर मेरा इंतजार कर रहे हैं, वहां पर जो फ्लावर्स हैं, that's a poetic expression. They are talking to the large lotus flowers, means they are enjoying there. And soon they will go to sleep. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad. Please उसका help कर दो, वो बच्चा इतना प्यासा है और उसकी मदर के पास कुछ नहीं है. I don't think I like boys, but मुझे लड़के अच्छे नहीं लगते. I want to go to Egypt. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. It is very cold here, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. और वो एक रात के लिए प्रिंस का दोस्त मैसेंजर बनने के लिए तैयार हो गया. Thank you, little swallow, said the prince. The swallow picked out the great ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with its beak over the roofs of the town. और वो उड़ता उड़ता उस जगह पहुंचा. रास्ते में he passed the cathedral tower, church, where the white marble angels were sculptured, जहाँ angels बनी होती हैं उनको. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of a dancing. A beautiful girl came out of the balcony with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball. I have ordered to embroider on it, but the seamsters are so lazy. तुम्हें पता है ना, ये जो स्यू करते हैं, जो ये टेलर्स होते हैं, बहुत लेजी होते हैं. मीन्स यहाँ पर ये पता लग रहा है कि जो अमीर इंसान होता है, दे डोंट नो अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द पुअर. दे आर वेरी केयरलेस, दे आर वेरी इग्नोरेंट. वो लोग बहुत इग्नोरेंट हैं. He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the masts of the ships. शिप के जो आगे का पोर्शन होता है वहां पर लालटेन लगी हुई थी. At last he came to the poor woman's house and looked in. The boy was tossing, इधर उधर वो करवटे ले रहा था. And the mother had fallen asleep. She was so tired. क्यों सो रही थी वो? कि वो थकी हुई थी. In he hop, और वो अंदर घुसा हॉप करते हुए. And laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. उसने जो है उस रबी को, यानी कि जो वो सफा वो था जेम स्टोन था, उसको जहां उसकी जो मदर सो रही थी उसके पास में जो स्मॉल प्लास्टिक कैप होता है, थिम्बल मतलब जो प्लास्टिक कैप होता है, नॉर्मली वो होता है जो हाथों में डाला जाता है. दैट्स, हम लोग जब एम्ब्रॉयडरी करते हैं तो कहीं सुई अंदर ना लग जाए उसके लिए, तो उसके पास छोड़ दिया. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. वो पंखों को फड़फड़ा रहा था और बच्चे को थोड़ा बहुत फीवर था. How cool I feel. I must be getting better. And he sank into delicious slumber. Delicious slumber here is something very delicious. तो हम लोग यूज करते हैं खाने के लिए. But here slumber means sleep. And here the delicious word has been, here it has been used for deep sleep. आपके पास कई बार ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, राइट द, मतलब कि फाइंड आउट द वर्ड विच हैज द सेंटेंस विच हैज यूज डिलीशियस एज यूज इन द पैसेज. यहां डिलीशियस इज यूज एज डीप स्लीप. डिलीशियस स्लम्बर मतलब गहरी नींद में सो गया. Here delicious is not for taste. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. It's curious, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. मतलब हैप्पी प्रिंस ने बोला, दिस इज स्पोकन बाय द, कि कितना अजीब है कि इतनी ठंड है लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं क्यों कुछ अच्छा सा अंदर से गर्माहट लग रही है. तो प्रिंस ने उसको कमेंट किया, दिस इज बिकॉज यू हैव डन अ गुड एक्शन. आप जब कुछ अच्छा करते हो ना तो आपको दिल से अच्छा लगता है. And the little swallow began to think and then fell asleep. Thinking always made him sleepy. मतलब this is a humor. जब भी वो सोचता था सो जाता था. When day broke, he flew down to the river, had a bath. Tonight I go to Egypt. और बड़ा खुश था. He was in high spirits at the prospect. High spirit at the prospect मतलब इस आइडिया से कि आज वो अपने फ्रेंड से मिलने जाने वाला, ये सोचकर वो बहुत ज्यादा खुश था. He visited all the monuments and sat a long time on the church steeple. Steeple होता बिल्कुल जो end होता ना उसके ऊपर वहां. When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Have you any commissions for Egypt? I'm just starting. मतलब तुम्हें कोई मैसेज देना है. Have you any commissions means do you want to send some message for Egypt? Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you stay with me one night longer? Swallow ने कहा, waited for in Egypt. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, far away across the city, I see a young man in a garret. He is leaning over a desk covered with papers, and in the glass by his side there is a bunch of withered violets. उसने कहा कि मुझे दूर से एक इंसान नजर आ रहा है जो कि who is living in a, you can say, small, छोटा सा गंदा सा, गैरेट मतलब होता है a very small dismal, एकदम अंधेरा नुमा छोटा सा कमरा, वहां पर रह रहा है। और उसके साइड पर, उसके चारों तरफ पेपर्स हैं और उसके पास विदर्ड मतलब सूखे हुए, मुरझाए हुए वॉयलेट फ्लावर्स हैं। हिज हेयर इज ब्राउन एंड क्रिप्स एंड हिज लिप्स आर रेड एज अ पोमेग्रेनेट। इट्स सिमिली, उसके जो लिप्स है वो अनार के जैसे लाल है। He has a large and dreamy eyes, means he want to do something in his life. He is trying to finish a play for the director of the theater, but he is too cold to write anymore. वो एक कहानी, एक नाटक लिखना चाहता है, लेकिन उस इतनी ठंड है कि वो लिख नहीं पा रहा है। Since there is no fire in the grate and hunger has made him faint. जो yes, of course, शाओमिली, और भूख के मारे वो फेंट हो रहा है। और आग लगाने के लिए ग्रेट के अंदर देयर वाज, मतलब कैसे आग लगाएगा, देयर इज नथिंग। जो आग लगाने का जो एरिया होता है वहां। आई विल वेट विद यू, यहां विल वेट एलिट्रेशन, वन नाइट लॉन्गर। स्वैलो जो अच्छा था, ही आस्क्ड इफ ही शुड टेक अनदर रबी। तो उसने कहा, alas, I have no ruby now. My eyes are all that I have left. They are made of rare sapphires which were brought out of India 1,000 years ago. ये rare sapphires हैं जो इंडिया से लाए गए थे। He ordered the swallow to pluck one out of them and take it to the playwright. Playwright का मतलब a person who writes play. He will sell it to the jeweler and buy firewood and finish his play. स्वैलो ने कहा, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता, आई कैन नॉट डू दैट। स्वैलो, स्वैलो, लिटिल स्वैलो, डू एज आई कमांड यू। जैसा मैं बोल रहा हूं करो। यस, स्वैलो, स्वैलो, लिटिल स्वैलो इज रेपिटिशन। सो द स्वैलो प्लग्ड द प्रिंस आइज एंड फ्लू अवे टू द यंग मैन्स गैरेट। उसके जो स्मॉल हटमेंट था वहां, गैरेट को हम स्मॉल हटमेंट भी बोल सकते हैं, HUTMENT। It was easy enough to get in as there was a hole in the roof. अंदर जाना बड़ा आसान था क्योंकि रूफ में मतलब कि छेद था, वो अंदर चला गया। The young man had his head and buried in his hands, आपका जो है it is azonets, वो नीचे ऐसे करके बैठा था। So he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wings. And when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets. Sapphire lying, withered violets, I is repeated again as on it. I am beginning to be appreciated. This is from some great admirer. अब उसने जाकर वो सफायर जो है वहां रख दिया। और जब वो आदमी उठा तो उसने देखा इतना सुंदर उसके पास सफायर है। उसको नहीं पता था ये किसने दिया। उसे लगा जो मुझे, मतलब कि somebody who is admiring me, मेरे काम को जो तारीफ कर रहा उसने शायद लिखा है। Now I can finish my play, and he looked quite happy. The next day the swallow flew down to the harbor. He sat on the mast of a large vessel. यहाँ the vessel means ship. But nobody minded, and when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. I have come to bid you goodbye. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not stay with me one night longer? उसने दोबारा वही बात बोली। It is winter and the snow will soon be here. थोड़े ही टाइम में snow will soon here again is alliteration. In Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees and the crocodiles lie in the mud and look lazily about them. वहां तो वार्म है, वहां तो क्रोकोडाइल्स भी आकर आराम से बाहर मिट्टी में जो है दे आर टेकिंग द रेस्ट। यहाँ तो बहुत ठंड है। Look lazily, again the same electrician. In the square below, there stands a little match girl. छोटे छोटे मैच बॉक्सेस वो बेचती है. She has let her matches fall in the gutter. नाले में गिर गया है and they are all spoiled. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money and she is crying. She has no shoes or stockings. Stockings मतलब socks. And her little head is bare. और वो इतनी ठंड में भी उसका जो सर है उसमें उसने कुछ नहीं डाल रखा है. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her and father will not beat her. I will stay with you one night but I cannot pluck out your eye. You would be quite blind then. उसने वही बात बोली, do as I command. So he plucked out the prince's other eyes and darted down with it. और उसके साथ जो है वो उड़ के वहां पर जाने लगा. Darted मतलब moving quickly. He swooped मतलब वो एकदम नीचे उड़ते हुए गया उस मैच गर्ल के पास और वो जो जूल था दैट इज द सैफायर उसको उसके हाथ में रख दिया. What a lovely bit of glass. अब उसको तो पता नहीं था कि वो सैफायर है, उसे लगा वो सुंदर सा एक ग्लास है. वो खुश होके चली गई. Then the swallow came back to the prince. You are blind, so I'll stay with you always. No, little swallow, you must go away to Egypt. No, I'll stay with you always. और swallow उसका एक अच्छा दोस्त बन गया. All the next day he sat on Prince's shoulder and told him the stories what he had seen in the strange lands. Strange lands मतलब जहां जहां से वो उड़ते हुए आता था वहां उसने क्या क्या चीजें देखी थी वो सब वो बता रहा था. Dear little swallow, said the prince, you tell me of marvelous things, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of men and women. जो तुम बताते हो ना वो सब तो बहुत खूबसूरत चीजें हैं लेकिन उससे भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत है लोगों की परेशानियां. Here it is more marvelous than anything means in सबसे बड़ी चीज. यहाँ marvelous is not used as a beauty, it is pun. P-U-N, pun. यहाँ marvelous is not being used as marvelous का वैसे मतलब होता है beautiful या large. बट यहाँ इट हैज नॉट बीन यूज फॉर लार्ज और ब्यूटिफुल. यहाँ यूज हुआ है इट इज मतलब उससे बड़ी चीज. यहाँ लार्ज नॉट फॉर द थिंग बट लार्जर हेयर इज फॉर द sufferings. There is no mystery so great as misery. This is a phrase. There is no mystery as great as so great as misery मतलब कोई नहीं जानता why trouble comes. Nobody knows why the miseries come in our life. Fly over my little city, little swallow, and tell me what you see there. So the swallow flew over the great city, saw the rich making merry in their beautiful high houses, while the beggars were sitting at the gates. He flew into the dark lanes and saw the white faces of starving children. रिच लोग अपने घर में मजे कर रहे थे तो बेगर बेचारे भीख मांग रहे थे. वो डार्क लेन्स जहां पर गरीब बच्चे रहते हैं वहां गया. उसने देखा व्हाइट फेसेस ऑफ स्टार्विंग मतलब यहां पर व्हाइट फेस मतलब पेल वीक फेस. स्टार्विंग मतलब भूखे. लुकिंग आउट लिस्टलेसली. लिस्टलेसली का मतलब हो जाता है विदाउट एनी एनर्जी कि कोई आकर उनको जो है will somebody be giving them some arms. Under the ark जो बना होता है ब्रिज पर, two little boys were lying in each other arms to try and keep themselves warm. How hungry we are. You must not lie. बेचारे वो दोनों ये सोच रहे थे कि हम तो भूखे हैं. वॉचमैन ने कहा यहाँ तुम नहीं सोओगे. And they wandered out into the rain. बेचारों को बारिश में जाना पड़ गया. Then he flew back and told the prince what he had seen. यहाँ जो he flew back है, he is personification used for swallow. I am covered with fine gold. You must take it leaf by leaf and give it to the poor. The living always think that gold can make them happy. This is the irony. कि हम तो सोचते हैं कि पैसों से सब कुछ पूरा हो जाता है. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold of the swallow picked off till the happy prince looked quite dull and grey. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold he brought to the poor, and the children's faces grew rosier. They laughed and played in the street. वो बेचारा डल एंड ग्रे हो गया, लेकिन उस गोल्ड से बाकी लोग खुश हो गए. वी हैव द ब्रेड नाउ. अब हमें खाने के लिए खाना मिल रहा है. वी आर नॉट नाउ स्टार्विंग. दे वर हैप्पी. देन द स्नो केम. आफ्टर द स्नो केम द फ्रॉस्ट. पहले तो आपका जो है स्नो आया, ठंड पड़ी, मतलब कि बर्फ गिरा. एंड देन केम द फ्रॉस्ट. फ्रॉस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है आपका? ओले, ओस. ओस कहते हैं हम हिंदी में. द स्ट्रीट्स लुक्ड एज इफ दे वर मेड ऑफ सिल्वर. इट्स सिमिली एज इफ दे वर मेड ऑफ सिल्वर, मतलब इट हैज बीन कंपेयर्ड. ऐसा लग रहा था चारों तरफ जो है सिल्वर गिरा हुआ है. एवरीबडी वेंट अबाउट इन फर्स. सब लोग जो हैं कपड़े पहने हुए थे फर वाले. द लिटिल बॉयज वो स्कारलेट कैप्स एंड स्केटेड ऑन द आइस. And they were skating, they were enjoying. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder. वो उसको ठंड लग रही थी, उसको ठंड लग रही थी. But he would not leave the prince, he loved him too well. लेकिन वो अपनी उस फ्रेंडशिप को, अपने फ्रेंड को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता था, बिकॉज अब उसे उससे प्यार हो गया था. He picked up the crumbs outside. crumbs होते हैं छोटे छोटे टुकड़े ब्रेड के. The baker's door when the baker was not looking and tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. अपने wings को flap करके अपने आप को गर्म करने की कोशिश करता था. But at last he knew he was going to die. He had just enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulder once more. Goodbye, dear prince. Will you let me kiss your hand? बहुत हिम्मत करके उसने जो है वो उसके पास उड़ के गया और उसने कहा, कैन यू अपना हाथ दोगे? I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last, little swallow. You have stayed too long here, but you must kiss me on the lips, for I love you. When you kiss someone on your hand, it is a general affection. And kissing on the lips means जिसको हम बहुत प्यार करते हैं. He was too much attached. It's not to Egypt that I'm going to the house of death. Death is the brother of sleep, is he not? मैं सोने जा रहा हूं हमेशा के लिए. And he kissed the happy prince on the lips and fell down at his feet. At that moment, a curious crack sounded. यहां पर अगर क्यूरियस क्रैक दोनों आता है ना तो बेटा इट इज ऑब्वियस है कि इट इज एलिट्रेशन. लेकिन क्रैकिंग जो है दैट इज ओनोमेटापिया. Inside the statue, ऐसा लगा वो स्टेचू अंदर से टूट गया. The fact is that the leaden heart that snapped right into two. उसका दिल दो हिस्से में टूट गया. It is certainly was a dreadfully hard frost. Dreadfully hard मतलब बहुत सख्त था. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below the company with two counselors. जो counselors थे वो तो मेयर के चमचे थे. They were flatterers. As they passed the column, he looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby. Shabby मतलब how ugly. The happy prince looked. और टाउन काउंसलर्स ने बिल्कुल दोबारा नकल किया. How shabby. Who always agreed with the mayor, and they went up to look at it. The rabbi has fallen out of his sword. His eyes are gone. He is golden no longer. In fact, he is little better than a beggar. ये तो बस थोड़ा beggar से better लग रहा. Little better than a beggar, they repeated. And here is actually a dead bird. We must really issue a proclamation. Proclamation मतलब notice, announcement that the birds are not, कितना foolish है देखो, allowed to die here. हमें एक नोटिस निकलवाना पड़ेगा कि भाई बर्ड्स में यहाँ पे नहीं मरना चाहिए. And the town clerk made a note of the suggestion. This shows they were all idiots. stupids. So they pulled down the statue of the happy prince, and as he no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful, said the art professor at the university. This is the truth of the life. You are beautiful, still you are useful to others. And then they melted the statue in a furnace. Furnace matlab bhatti. What a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen. Overseer matlab the supervisor at the foundry. Foundry जहाँ ये furnaces जहाँ भट्टियाँ होती हैं वो. This broken lead laden heart will not melt in the furnace. We must throw it away. So they threw it on a dust heap. Heap मतलब पूरा एक ऐसी मिट्टी का बना हुआ था. Where the dead swallow was also lying. ऊपर ये जो लास्ट लाइन है, it is written in the italics form because they are the conversation between God and his angels. बाकी स्टोरी है, लेकिन ये जो लास्ट है, this is the conversation between the God and the angels. Bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God to one of his angels, and the angel brought him. Here is God, the leaden heart and the dead bird. You have rightly chosen, for in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing for evermore, and in my city of gold the happy prince shall praise me. And the God said that they are the most beautiful creatures that I would love to have. This little bird will always sing for me, and the happy prince shall always praise me, means it will always be with me. जो मेरी this heaven, that they would beautify my area, and thus they got place in the heaven because of their generosity, because of their affection, because of their good deeds. So that is what we call as a chapter, the happy prince.